To verify your Meta Business Suite account, start by navigating to business.facebook.com and logging in with the Meta account that has admin access to the business manager you want to verify. Once you're logged in, you'll see a business drop-down menu in the top left corner. Click on it and select the business you want to verify. Next, click the gear icon next to the business portfolio name to open business settings. You'll see a left sidebar menu appear. Scroll down the left sidebar until you find Security Center and click on it. The Security Center page will display your verification status. If the Start Verification button is grayed out, ensure your business information is completely filled in and you have admin access before proceeding. In the Business Verification section, click Start Verification. A pop-up will appear. Click Get Started to continue. Now you'll enter your business details. Select the country where your business is registered, then fill in your legal business name, address, phone number, and website exactly as they appear on your official paperwork. Mismatches are the most common reason for rejection, so review carefully. Next, you'll see a list of businesses. Select the one that matches yours. If your business doesn't appear or doesn't match, select none of these match. Choose how you want to receive your confirmation code. Your options are email, phone call, SMS, or domain verification. Email is the fastest method and must use the same domain as your business website. You'll now upload your supporting documents. Select the document type. This could be a business license, articles of incorporation, tax registration, or a utility bill showing your business name, address, and phone number. Upload the file, and the file name will appear once it's processed. If your document contains your business, phone number, or address, select Yes when prompted. Enter the confirmation code you receive through your chosen method into the verification code field. Finally, click Submit to send your verification request. Your application status will change to In Review. Verification typically takes anywhere from 10 minutes to 14 working days. Meta will email you once the review is complete. You can check your verification status anytime by returning to the Security Center. If your application is rejected, go to Security Center and select Contact Facebook to learn the specific reason.